So class, this tutorial covers how to orient yourself on a map in terms of latitude and longitude. Now the standard map series used in the United States is a 7.5 minute quadrangle, and that means that the map covers 7.5 minutes of latitude, 7.5 minutes of longitude. Remembering that there are 60 minutes of latitude or longitude in one full degree, that means that each map covers just 1/8 of a degree of latitude and longitude. In other words, you need 8 7.5 minute maps to cover a full degree. For this reason, they're only marking latitude and longitude on the corners of each map. So each side of the map covers 7.5 minutes of latitude, remembering that latitude measures how far you are north or south of the equator, and the other sides of the map cover 7.5 minutes of longitude, remembering that longitude describes how far east or west you are of the prime meridian, which runs through Greenwich, England. Because the United States is in the northern hemisphere, that means that latitude is increasing as we go from south to north in the United States. Likewise, the United States is in the western hemisphere, so that longitude increases as you move from east to west across the United States. Now we have our 7.5 minute quad here. We have latitude and longitude is going to be marked in full at each corner. By full, I mean it's going to be written in degrees, minutes, seconds, indicating either north or south latitude and either east or west longitude. Remember, in the U.S. we're going to be in north latitude and west longitude. Now we have our 7.5 minute map, a lot less than 1 degree, so in their intermediate marking they leave off degrees because they're assuming that you remember that the degree has not changed, because it would take 8 maps to go for 1 full degree. So they're only going to mark the edges of the map in terms of minutes and seconds. They place an intermediate mark every 2.5 minutes along the sides of the map. So they're basically dividing the map edges into thirds. 2.5 of course goes into 7.5 3 times. So each one of these intermediate ticks represents 2.5 minutes of either latitude if we're talking about moving up and down on the map, or longitude if we're talking about moving left to right across the map.